guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Trishauna, and for this video I'll be unboxing or unbagging, because technically I got this in a bag, a wig that I purchased from BORUI Hair. It is a 10-inch straight lace frontal bob wig, and basically this is how I received the wig. It comes in a net, hair net, and also it has stuffing to, of course, keep the shape of the wig. So basically this is how the inside of the wig looks. It comes with 2 combs at the sides, 1 at the back. It also has lace at the back as well, and 2 adjustable straps at the back. So this is how the lace is looking up close, and this is how the parting is looking as well. Now the first thing that I decided to do was to pluck the parting so that it could look a bit more natural. So right here I'm just basically adjusting the wig to where I want it to sit on my head, and also clipping the hair out of the way so that I can actually see where or which portions of the lace I need to get rid of. Now, unfortunately, my phone had died, so I had to record the installation or the rest of the installation process at another time. And so here I'm basically just adding some of my foundation to the lace portion of the wig that has like the parting and also around the edges, so it can also look a bit more realistic. Now, after brushing my hair out a bit, I proceeded to add the clips at the side to get the hair out of the way while I sprayed my first layer of the Got to Be Glued freeze spray to help with holding down the front portion of the wig. And then I added my second layer and used the blow dryer to help dry this layer again. And we just basically want the Got to Be Glued freeze spray to have a tacky feel to it so that it can be able to secure the wig. Now, using the tail portion of a rat tail comb, I applied some pressure to the lace portion of the wig and proceeded to blow dry that area so that it could actually stay in place. And I proceeded to do this around the front perimeters of my head. Then I use a scarf to help to lay down the wig for about 5 minutes or so. I then attempted, keyword attempted, to do some baby hairs at the front. I then used a hot comb to help to flatten or press out the hair a bit and also to tame any flyaways that were present. Then I sectioned my hair into 4 sections so that it would be easier for me to flat iron the wig. And then after flat ironing, I was basically done with the installation of this wig. So this hair did shed quite a lot. I'm guessing it's because of all of the manipulation that I did, with brushing, hot combing, flat ironing. But this is basically how the wig looks And that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the like button as well if you like this video. Leave a comment as well, and also hit the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video.